Good morning, student of class 5. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3, MS Word Advanced Features. Okay, chapter number 3, MS Word Advanced Features. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the content of this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about format painter, font effects, text effect, editing tools, page layout, indenting text, paragraph spacing. Today I am going to discuss about first three topics: format painter, font effects, and text effects. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the first is format painter. Format painter means MS Word is a word processor software. It is used to type, edit, format, and organize and text. Okay, it is various interesting and easy to apply features. In this chapter, let's learn about the some advanced features and apply them to create the document. Okay, number one point is format painter. Format painter means is the option is used to copy the format and selected piece to the text and apply the format onto the selection on the another text. That means एक जो फॉर्मेट होता है उस फॉर्मेट को हम लोग कॉपी करेंगे, उस फॉर्मेट को ले जाके दूसरे किसी सेंटेंस के ऊपर या वर्ड के ऊपर हम लोग पेस्ट करेंगे. इसको ही बोला जाता है फॉर्मेट पेंटर. ओके, द फॉर्मेट पेंटर आइकॉन इन डिस्प्ले इन द क्लिपबोर्ड ग्रुप इन द होम टैब. मतलब होम टैब में जो है, होम टैब में वो फॉर्मेट पेंटर का जो आइकॉन है उससे हम लोगों को उसको यूज़ करके हम लोगों को ये जो प्रोसेस है उसको करना है. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज हाउ डज दिस वर्क. ओके, हाउ डज दिस वर्क, दिस आर द स्टेप्स. ओके, first of all, select the text having the format you want to copy. Okay, select the text. That means here you can see some one sentence is written here and we need to select the text. Okay, this is no here you can see this is to show. Okay, this text is the text that selected here. Okay, then click the format painter icon. The pointer will change into the brush space. Here you can see the format painter icon. In this picture, this icon is too much hazy, but you need to click on the on this icon. This is the format painter icon. This is looks like a brush. Okay, this is look like a brush. You need to click on the pointer icon, will change into the brush shape. Then drag the brush over the text where you want to copy the format. Here you can see format is to be created. That means we select this drag the brush here, format is to be created. You can see here these two sentence sentence is similar in style. Okay, so you will see that the same format has been copied. Here you can see the same format has been copied from another text. Okay, to copy the format, control shift plus C. Okay, to copy format, control shift plus C. This is the shortcut key to copy a format, and the paste a format, control plus shift plus V. Okay, so this is the shortcut key to copy a format or paste a format. Okay, the next thing is font effects. Font effects, first is superscript. For superscript means the text slightly above the baseline. Okay, text slightly above the baseline. Here you can see x square. Okay, the 2 is above the baseline of the x. Okay, above the baseline. The option is used to place the text slightly above the baseline. By default, the text is smaller than normal text size in the superscript. That means जो text होगा वो above the baseline होगा और जो text का size होगा वो normal text से छोटा होगा. Here you can see x square and example is here 12th. th is the above the baseline. Okay, th is above the baseline and a square is also 2 is above the baseline. So superscript means the text slightly above the baseline. Main thing is text slightly above the baseline. Okay, now how does it work? Type the 12, here you can see 12, and second select the th and click the superscript icon in the font group of home tab. दैट मीन्स जो हम लोगों को कोई भी एक टेक्स्ट को सुपरस्क्रिप्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो पहले उसको लिखना है. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ही हो जाता है, लेकिन अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या करना होगा कि सिलेक्ट th एंड क्लिक ऑन द सुपरस्क्रिप्ट आइकॉन इन द फॉन्ट ग्रुप ऑन द होम अंडर द होम टैब. ओके, हम लोगों को उसको सिलेक्ट करके फॉन्ट ग्रुप में जाना है और सुपरस्क्रिप्ट आइकॉन को क्लिक करना है, तब ये ऑटोमेटिकली 12, here you can see the 12 and the th is the above the baseline. Okay, before applying the superscript, after applying the superscript, the text will different from previous. Okay, next thing is subscript means the option slightly, the text slightly below the baseline. Okay, first is superscript, that means below the slightly above the baseline, and this is the below the baseline. Okay, here you can see CO2, here you can see CO2. Okay, how does it work? Same process, type CO2, select 2 and click the subscript icon in the font group under the home tab. नोटिस दैट द साइज़ ऑफ द सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट एज अ बिकमिंग स्मॉल. दैट मीन्स जब भी हम लोग सिलेक्ट करेंगे उसको, उसके बाद जब हम लोग सब्सक्रिप्ट में जाके क्लिक करेंगे उसको, तो क्या होगा, जो साइज़ है टेक्स्ट का वो छोटा हो जाएगा और वो क्या होगा, बिलो द बेस लाइन हो जाएगा. ओके, so these is very simple steps you need to be followed to doing these tasks. Okay, subscript and superscript. Next thing is text effects. Text effects means when we need to give various effects in our document, like in our text, like shadows, glows, reflection, outline. Okay, so we selected by text by the clicking on the text effects and topography icon in font group. Here you can see the font group A selected. Okay, then this window will be open, this menu will be open. Then click on the text effects and the topographic icon, then select the required effects, for example shadow, offset right. Okay, shadow, offset right. Here you can see shadow, offset right. You need to choose from here, and you will choose as per your choice also. Okay, as per your choice. Then you will see the text style is changed. Let's add the shadow to the text. Here you can see the text is here and here is the text. Okay, that means you will see the shadows on the right side of each letter. Okay, दैट मीन्स हम लोगों को कोई भी टेक्स्ट के ऊपर अगर कोई भी शेडो, कोई भी रिफ्लेक्शन, कोई भी आउटलाइन देना है तो हम लोग टेक्स्ट इफेक्ट्स को यूज़ करते हैं. और ये कैसे होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू सिलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट. ओके, जो हम लोगों ने टेक्स्ट लिखा है उसको सिलेक्ट करना है. देन क्लिक ऑन द टेक्स्ट इफेक्ट्स एंड टोपोग्राफिक आइकॉन. ओके, देन वी सिलेक्ट the text effects and topography icon. Okay, topography icon, then we need to choose as per our choice. Okay, as per our choice we need to choose from here. Okay, choose from here, then the text will automatically change. This is how we can easily add effects, give effects, various effects in our text. Okay, in our text in Microsoft Word 2016. Okay, so in this video today I discuss about text effects, font effects, subscript and superscript, and first thing is for format painter. Number one is format painter. Next thing is superscript, subscript, and last is text effects. Okay, so all of you need to read the topic very carefully to understand the chapter. Okay, understand the chapter, and as all of you know that I would provide all the question answer as a PDF, and you can download the PDF from YouTube. I hope that all of you have already download and written the question answer on your computer copy, and all of you should learn the question answer for exam. Okay, for exam. So today I am ending my discussion here. I will continue the chapter in my next video. Okay, so till then take care. Goodbye and thank you.